So once you download and install WPS, you can just come all the way to the launch pad over here. You can just click and you can come over. You can see WPS over here. Okay, so you can just click to kickstart it and you'll be welcome to this very platform. So the first thing you will see is that you will be prompted to the recent items. Here you can see all the recent documents that you've opened or you've worked on recently, and you can come here to see the starred ones. Okay, documents that you've worked on and you've started, you can see it over here. The document that you are shared with, okay, shared with me, you'll find them over here, and shared by me, you will equally find them over here. If you share a document, if a document is shared with you, you can equally find all of them here. And you can work with on the cloud. You can enable auto save on the cloud, so you can just work directly as you're working. It is saving equally on the cloud, and you can have access to your desktop. Okay, all the folders that you have on the desktop, you'll be able to have access to them, and all the files you can have access, and documents as well. You can navigate around to have access to all your files that you have in your document within your system. Okay, and to the left over here, this is at the home tab. You can see you can come to new over here and you can be able to create a new document. Now it's important to stress out that WPS comes in all in one, like we've stated earlier. You can have the document, which you have Word document, just like so, document just like the Microsoft Word version. It is called document in this case, and you can have spreadsheet and presentation, and in each case you can start any document from scratch. Okay, from scratch or from a template. You can start from a blank page directly from here by clicking on blank page, or you can see different kind of templates that you can work from, starting from letters. You can see resumes that you can just easily click and customize, invitation letters, work related letters. You can come over here and see many more, and you can see them according to the categories. Okay, and just navigate around, and you have the option to just click on any one of them and you can kickstart using them. And then you can have spreadsheet. Okay, you can have spreadsheet, different kind of spreadsheet. You can start from a blank page also, and then you can use the templates as well. You can come down and see more, and you see the categories as well. Spreadsheet just functions just like the way Microsoft Excel functions. Okay, most of the cells and the data are just arranged the same way you see in Microsoft Excel. So later we'll see in detail how to use each of these feature. Then we have the presentation. Presentation functions just like the way Microsoft PowerPoint works in Microsoft Office Suite. Okay, so you can start from a blank page also, or you can start from different kind of templates be it based on education or business summary or work plan or summary or fresh style or different kind of styles. You can just come over here to see based on the categories how you can start. Okay, so next is you have PDF. The PDF options gives you the opportunity to create a PDF, or you can open a PDF document over here, or you can create your own PDF, just like the way you create Microsoft Word. You create a PDF document and you'll be able to work on it and save it everything in PDF. Later I will show you in detail as well how to work on this and create the document directly. And then down here you have other recommended features, like you can convert PDF to Word. You can convert any PDF document to Microsoft Word, or picture to PDF. You can convert PDF picture to PDF, and then you can convert PDF to picture, vice versa. Okay, or PDF to Excel, or PDF to PowerPoint. You can do all these conversions, and as we go along in this tutorial, I'm going to show you basically how to do all this. Okay, so this is just a bit about the general overview of the WPS platform. If you've created a template, you can be able to see it over here. Okay, be it on document, be it spreadsheet, be it PowerPoint, you will be able to see the template that you've created over here, or your favorites. You'll be able to find them accordingly. So for now, for this tutorial, this is just a bit about the overview of the platform. In the next class, we are going to look at Word document, okay, its overview, and what you need to understand to start using it. So until next time, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.